We got Ramsey in the house. Okay. And we have
Natalia
in the house. All right. So they did their job. They did the assignment. Ain't that right? Which was creeping on my page to make sure that everything was okay. And she probably seconded her right there, like, all right, nah, that's not that bad. He seems cool. But now it's time to see. All right, let's see the fits that you brought.
My fits? Oh.
Yeah. Let's see.
There's a lot.
Tiene mucha. Tiene vestidos?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Let's see my first photo. So I got some lingerie.
Okay.
With this.
Okay. That's Ramsey approved.
And then this.
Yeah, I love that right there. Is that like silver or is it more like
It's like gold.
That's fire right there. That is fire right there. I ain't gonna lie to you.
And then I have this dress. Damn. It's kind of hard to show, but it's a cute dress.
Because you got. Yeah, we feeling that. Okay.
And then this one.
Okay. I love that dress too.
That's nice.
Yeah, that night there. That's a vibe right there.
And this is if you want to go to a party, you feel me?
Hey, cause she don't be going nowhere out here. Okay, so we gotta knock the wrinkles out of that, cause she don't be going nowhere.
And then this is just a show fit.
Oh no, I like that. Okay.
And that's it.
We got some vibes. Hopefully I'm in focus, y'all, but we got some things we're gonna work with. Okay. So let's do it. How you feeling?
I feel a little bit nervous.
A little bit
but
nervous.
I'm ready though.
But we ready. We're gonna knock it out the park.
Of course.
Cause she got her. Yeah. She don't even say nothing. She just the hitter in the corner. She just ready to hit if she gotta do something. Alright. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the I D D with Miss Natalia helping me once again. So we are going to do a one light setup, and depending on how I'm feeling, I might throw something else in there, but we're going to see what we get. Let us know, where can we find you? Where can we slide in the DM?
_ Natty Natasha.
Okay, I'm gonna put that in the bottom left hand corner. How you feeling?
I feel great.
Awesome. You feeling awesome?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, did you do your own hair?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Did you do your own makeup?
Yes.
So you're a one-stop shop.
Of course.
Look, everything. She did everything.
I got it all.
Got it all. Okay. So let us see the fit. 360 on the fit. Okay. Hey. Made in Guatemala. I'm not playing with you, okay? Tell him. I ain't playing with you. Okay. So, we are going to get into the shoot. You ready?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, this is going to be a test shot. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right, let's see. You going? You down to work? 2022. That's your year. We manifesting it.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Perfect. Love it. You look gorgeous. Beautiful. Yeah, keep playing with your hair. We love it. We love all that. Perfect. All right, cross. Show me that turn the other way. Yeah, give us that slit right there. Perfect. Beautiful. That's it right there. Put both hands on your hip. Yes. And keep that pose. Turn your torso to me. So I can kind of, yeah, perfect. Beautiful. Love it. Love it. And give me that head tilt, chin up. Perfect. Let me give you some inspo.
Oh yeah. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Do you really mean it, or you? Because
No,
I don't know.
No, I really do.
I don't know.
Really do. Damn. I have a nice smile.
Yes, I love that. That back foot, kick it how you just had it kicked up a little bit. Perfect. Yes. Yes. Who is that? Okay, give me some look offs. I love that. Yes. Okay. All right, give me some serious faces. Give me like a sexy, fierce face. Yeah, give me. I want that. What male do you like? Like. Pose one more time. Yeah, and give it to me. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Yes. Beautiful. And look off up to the light while you kind of like fluffing it out. Perfect. And take like, put it in one hand and kind of like put it off to the side. So put it up, yeah. Yes. Perfect. Beautiful. Yes. Yes. And put that hand on your hip. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah, kind of let it fall. Perfect. Get to the side, off to the side so we can see it. Yes, perfect. Put that right hand up like right here and kind of, yeah, kind of like pull on the teeth. Ooh, okay, okay. Put that chin up for me. Yes, look off over there again. Yes, okay. beautiful. Perfect. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, let me get this angle. I just got so much stuff going on in here. 1, 2,